In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a chart using Perplexity AI, following some simple, straightforward steps. This tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring clarity and understanding every step of the way, so let's jump straight into it. First, you'll want to open up your web browser of choice. Whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or another, navigate over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll want to head to the search bar and type in Perplexity. This will bring up the search results, and the goal here is to find the official Perplexity site. When the search results load, you'll see various links, but you'll want to focus on finding the official Perplexity AI website. Clicking this link will take you to their platform, where you can start creating your chart. Once you've arrived at the site, it's time to get creative and practical. Next, it's time to formulate or make a prompt. The prompt is essential as it tells Perplexity AI exactly what you require in your chart. In this case, we are creating a vertical bar chart of annual U.S. inflation rates. You'll need to use the Consumer Price Index, CPI, data for each year from 2015 through 2024. Visualize placing the years along the x-axis. Those would be 2015 through to 2024, and your annual inflation rate in percentage terms will be plotted on the y-axis, with each year getting its own distinct bar. You'll want to ensure your chart is clearly labeled U.S. inflation rate 2015-2024 to provide context at a glance. In addition, take care to include axis titles, so label the x-axis as year and the y-axis as inflation rate percent. Something really handy is displaying the exact percentage value on top of each bar for quick comprehension. This helps anyone reading your chart to quickly grasp the figures without having to estimate. For reliability, use recent official data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Making sure your chart is styled for clarity will enhance its utility in any presentation setting. Once you have crafted your prompt with all this information, find the Submit button on the platform and give it a click. By doing so, you are sending your request to the AI to work its magic in turning your data needs into a visual chart. And there you have it. You've just taken clear, simple steps towards generating an informative chart using Perplexity AI. Be sure to give the resulting chart a once-over to make sure it falls in line with expectations and needs. Whether using it for a presentation or for data analysis, you'll now have a tool that effectively communicates crucial information at a glance. Thank you for following along, and happy chart making!